Here is a video tutorial about Bluetooth connection. Before connecting, there are some points you need to be aware of. First, please connect your smartphone to 2.4G Wi-Fi. Second, turn on your phone's Bluetooth. At last, allow the location permission of app on your phone. Now you can start connecting. First, press the reset button on the camera for 5 seconds. You can see the indicator light flashing red after resetting. When the light flashes red and blue alternately, that means the camera is ready for connection. Now you can start connecting it to your smartphone. Open the Wansview Cloud app, log into your account, and click Add Device. There are 2 ways of Bluetooth connection. One is the Bluetooth Auto Search mode. If you have turned on Bluetooth, the app will automatically search for your Bluetooth device. The other is the manual operation mode. If auto search yields no results, you can also choose your Bluetooth device manually. After choosing your device, choose Wi-Fi connection by Bluetooth and wait for Bluetooth to search for the camera. Camera ID will be displayed after a successful search. Then click Pair or Select. Next, select your 2.4G Wi-Fi. Enter the password and wait for connection. Now, you can enjoy the camera.